yesterday I'm watching football. I was the baseball. Baseball for what's her name? Dominic or Eli. Eli, but the name is Dominic. You won 7-0. Then yesterday Palma win, Watsonville lost. Always watching with Bailey. No 7-Eleven? No. Drum? You got no more play drumming?
Later.
How about baseball? No play? If the ladies is like this is baseball, right? Softball and then baseball. Yeah, but the ball is too big.
Softball.
The yellow ball. The ladies, the ball is big.